Why didn't I think of this game? Okay. So half of these kids are going to be builders. So they're going to be building the cups in whatever pattern you tell them. The other half of the kids will be bulldozers, which they think that means knocking them down, but it means down stacking them. You guys ever done this?
No.
Okay, I mean, there are a lot of times in speed stacking, they're not running around, but in this they are. I did it with the little kids, K and 1, and it worked out really good. All right, let's just go like this. Kind of on this side. Here, on that side. Okay, all of you on this side stand up. You guys are going to be what we call the builders. We are going to use, let's just use a 3, 3, 3. Okay? Actually, let's do a 3, 6, 3. So, you're going to go get a set of cups. Now listen, I'm not done talking yet. You're going to put them wherever you want in a 3, 6, 3. Not up. Just 3 cups, 6 cups, 3 cups. Spread them out anywhere inside of the black line, or boundary line. Anywhere you want.
Yes. I want it.
Use both sides of the gym. All over the place. So 3 cups, 6 cups, 3 cups. 3 cups, 6 cups, 3 cups. Hey, all of you on this side of the gym, go get one more set.